guys, I'm inside Quartz and I'm with my aunt, she over there so. And we're looking at, well, I'm looking at king size mattress and she's looking, what shall she look on her here? Catch her look on her here. You want to hear? Look at us guys.
Hi guys.
So this is my aunt guys. We're just shopping around. I'm looking at mattress
Shopping.
and she's looking at Chester Jar. So we're just looking around for now. Yeah, here I grow back. Yeah, if you continue use the castor oil. So guys, I'm gonna switch this back. We're we're inside Quartz, but this is not a promotional video, guys. This is not a promotional video. I may have the kerchief around me face because so guys, I am inside Quartz and I'm looking a mattress.
That's still too big. This space I want it for now. That's still too big. For this space I want it for.
Yes, that big.
Too big for this space I want it for. The other one, me just sit on this side.
It's not in that one, it's small.
And you could probably check online to see if you see any more. Excuse me.
Okay, thank you. Yeah man, this one is too big. And the other one is a better pattern, I think.
Yeah, it look better than this one.
And this cheaper.
Yeah. I know, see me this is some in our Quartz book where me they get. And in the cheap, but probably selling it up on that one.
Johnson, you have Johnson number 9 time.
I remember I said they'll call Johnson. So guys, yes, I am inside Quartz. As I said before, I am here with my aunt. Wonder if them do it. What is it?
No, I say one of them sell comforter in your let's try bed.
Yeah, they're gonna sell comfortable, but it's expensive. It's expensive. Yeah, come. So guys, this is the mattress I'm looking at, and it's that price. It's a platinum Eurotop king mattress. So I have a head already, I have a bed head already. So I wanted a mattress, and this one feels pretty good. So they have a sale on it, but it lasts until Monday. Not sure I can buy it until that time. How much is that? You see price upon it? Okay. Hey, Peaches, that's some nice one done there. You know? Yeah, I think I 700 and something plus tax upon it. For it. You see, like this pillow?
They have PNP color on the back.
The one idea one. The one idea version.
7,000. How much you pay for you?
The 3,000. You said I give it any give it man, you know? I give it man, you know?
15. It's me
I got 1,400 times say they pay for your small one. That's all?
Eh? 1,400.
Yeah, 1,400 in here. But you could have actually. But if you look what you walk in kind of
I don't want to put it in this dining area.
it dirty up too much. You don't have to wash it too often and after the color that gone after a while.
1,500 I'm not using.
You know, say, ah, they use come in and come see put up on me see. Just roll up. You can't spend enough time you sleep on me. I'm telling you something, I plan to make one. I plan to make one, you know, but because they make one with plyboard.
That's true.
But listen how I want to do man. I want that you can open it as a trunk, the store like a sheet and something in there. This is yes, that's this one too. No, so this I can lift up.
I can't open how many sharp was in there.
You lift up.
They
Oh
can't open one.
yes, you open.
Yeah, I can't open.
More make it. More make me go make mine.
But they heavy, you know, mama.
I make me go make mine. You see my bed head heavy and me make my bed head.
You are one with this in here.
And
You
then
are
so.
drop in there like it.
Yeah, that look nice. So, this is so.
You can send me over there, you know.
Look, this look nice. The interior door.
You know, I'm just up to all the everybody.
It's just a tall.
Come here, go tall.
Yeah, I could just a do, you know.
You know.
Yeah, just a the
I
good
mean,
one.
I pay more 57,000 per, you know.
And this is on. Come with the chest a jar there too.
Sometimes if you're going to go and buy some chest jar, people sometimes see buy a chest jar and just ask it now 50,000. How do you get it so cheap at all?
Mom, so me no.
Yeah, you ever see watching programs so you can get it cheap for the people who want to buy TV and buy this.
Must in some Indian shop. Some Indian shop empty. Hey, they have them up on sale. I look them, I know. I look them up. You can store any little thing. You have like book or something or in little figurine or something. Yeah. You know, it like it on sale or something. So color look nice too. It looks so nice. Oh yeah. I'm gonna say we gotta eat before we go. We take the bag, no problem. Yeah, we take the bag. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Not bad. Not bad. You can buy it, you can get the screw in. Because you want to screw it on the walls, like the shaker, you just screw it on the wall. And you have the little bottom jar, them this too. If you have the bottom jar and something. How much did you pay for it again?
160,000.
But is it for your wood?
165.
For your cedar wood? For your cedar wood and them others? The man has cedar wood.